Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 701. Insert into a binary search tree. In this question, you here given a binary search tree, and you just have to insert the value. Okay, so binary search in a binary search tree, the in a left tree means the left tree having a lesser value than the root and a right tree having a greater value than the root. Okay, so you just have to insert the 5. First you have to check whether the root is smaller or greater than the value, then you just have to move forward. If it is greater than value, then you just have to move the right of the root, or it is not, then you just have to move the left. Okay, so in this question you just have to insert the value. So let's do it. First, first you have to check whether the root is null. If root is equals to null, then you just have to return, means you just create a new tree node, val. Okay, you will create a new tree node val. Okay, and after that you just have to check else if root ka val, if it is greater than val. Okay, if it is greater than val means if 4 is greater than val, means if 4 let's suppose, yeah, if it is greater than 4, then you just have to move the left. Again you will check if root ka left is equals to null. You just have to check. If it is null, then you just have to add root ka left equals to new tree node val. Okay, else you just have to insert into BST. You just pass this function insert into BST, which is you just have to pass the root ka val, sorry, root ka left and val. Okay, and after this condition is checked, or if it is not satisfied, then we will move to the else condition. If root ka right is equals to null, then you just have to check root ka right, then you just have to add the root ka right equals to new tree node val. Okay, and if it is not satisfied this condition, then you just have to do one thing. Again pass the function insert into BST, which is root ka right comma val. Okay, and after that you just have to return the root. Let's run this code, whether this run properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. This has been submitted. Thanks for watching.